Hey there, fellow holiday enthusiasts. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where today, we're diving headfirst into the great world of Christmas wreaths. We've got a lot to cover, from awesome ideas and creative tips to the latest trends that will make your holiday season shine even brighter. So, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's jump right into it. Let's start with the classics. Traditional wreaths never go out of style. Think lush greenery like pine, holly, and ivy, adorned with classic ornaments and a big red bough. It's a timeless look that can bring that warm, nostalgic feeling to your holiday decor. If you're into the farmhouse or rustic aesthetic, this one's for you. Use materials like burlap, twine, and wooden accents to create a cozy, country-inspired wreath. Add some pine cones, dried oranges, or cinnamon sticks for that extra touch of charm. Transform your front door into a magical winter wonderland. Opt for a white wreath base and decorate with sparkly snowflakes, silver and blue ornaments, and maybe even some miniature ice skates. This theme works beautifully if you live in a snowy area. For a touch of luxury and opulence, go for a wreath in gold and white. Gold leaves, glittering ornaments, and a shiny ribbon can create a stunning focal point. It's perfect if you want your home to shine as bright as the holiday lights. Get inspired by nature itself. Collect pine cones, acorns, and dried leaves to craft a wreath that celebrates the beauty of the outdoors. A burlap bough and some faux berries can add a pop of color. Let your inner child run wild with a Santa's Workshop-themed wreath. Miniature toys, tiny wrapped presents, and a Santa hat as the centerpiece will delight kids and adults alike. Sometimes, less is more. A simple wreath made from eucalyptus, baby's breath, or even succulents can exude elegance and sophistication. It's a great choice for those who prefer a more understated holiday look. Now that we've got some incredible ideas brewing, let's talk about how to make that Christmas wreath of your dreams. Start with a solid wreath base. You can buy pre-made ones or make your own with a wire or grapevine frame. Ensure it's sturdy enough to hold your decorations. Decide on a central element that draws the eye, like a big bough, a festive ornament, or a unique piece that sets the tone for your wreath. Maintain balance and symmetry when adding decorations. Evenly distribute ornaments, greenery, and other elements around the wreath to keep it visually appealing. Use floral wire or hot glue to secure your decorations. Nobody wants ornaments falling off their wreath in the middle of the holiday season. Less is often more. Don't overcrowd your wreath with too many decorations. Leave some space for the greenery to shine through. Consider where you'll hang your wreath. Front door, above the fireplace, or even on your dining room wall. Different locations may call for different styles and sizes. If you want your wreath to stand out at night, add some fairy lights. Battery-operated LED lights can give your wreath that magical glow. If your wreath will be exposed to the elements, consider using weather-resistant materials and sealant to make it last throughout the season. Now, let's talk about what's hot in the world of Christmas wreaths for this year. Eco-conscious wreaths made from recycled materials or living wreaths with potted plants are gaining popularity. They not only look great but are environmentally friendly too. Going all in on a single color scheme, like all white or all gold, is a stylish trend this year. It creates a striking and cohesive look. Vintage-inspired wreaths with elements like antique ornaments, retro baubles, and classic color palettes are making a comeback. DIY wreath kits are all the rage. They come with everything you need to create a stunning wreath at home, making it a fun holiday activity. Bright and unconventional colors like hot pink, teal, and purple are making waves. They can add a fun and unexpected twist to your holiday decor. Embracing diverse cultural and religious symbols in wreath designs is a beautiful trend that promotes inclusivity during the holiday season. Wreaths made with natural materials like dried flowers, herbs, and branches are in vogue. They provide a fresh, earthy look. Customized wreaths with family names, initials, or personalized messages are a heartfelt trend that adds a personal touch to your holiday decor. Bring the magic of the forest to your front door with a woodland-themed wreath. Start with a base of natural twigs, moss, and pine cones. Add tiny faux woodland creatures like owls, foxes, and squirrels. Finish with faux snow for that whimsical touch. Create a nostalgic wreath using vintage Christmas postcards. Attach them to a circular wreath base and add some old-fashioned ornaments, like glass icicles and tinsel. It's a delightful way to evoke the charm of Christmases past. Celebrate the classic Nutcracker ballet with a wreath inspired by this timeless tale. Incorporate miniature Nutcracker figurines, ballet shoes, and a touch of ballet pink into your wreath for a truly enchanting look. Embrace the sweet side of Christmas with a candy cane-themed wreath. Wrap your wreath base in red and white striped ribbon, and then add oversized faux candy canes, lollipops, and gingerbread cookies. It's perfect for the kids and the young at heart. Combine the cozy vibes of bohemian decor with the holiday spirit. Use a macrame or woven wreath base and adorn it with earthy elements like feathers, dried flowers, and wooden beads. A dreamcatcher-inspired wreath is a trendy twist on traditional holiday decor. If you're celebrating Christmas in a coastal location or just love the beach, create a seashell wreath. Collect an array of seashells and arrange them around your wreath base. Add some starfish, sand dollars, and a seashell-encrusted star as the focal point. Transform your door into a delicious gingerbread house. Make mini gingerbread cookies and decorate them with icing, then attach them to your wreath base. Add some candy canes, gumdrops, and a gingerbread man for extra sweetness. If you're a music enthusiast, why not make a wreath that celebrates your passion? Craft a wreath using sheet music, old vinyl records, or even musical instrument ornaments. It's a harmonious way to celebrate the season. Now that we've got some fresh ideas, let's delve into more creative tips to make your Christmas wreath truly stand out. Consider adding personalized touches to your wreath, like mini photo frames with family pictures, or hand-painted wooden initials for each family member. Infuse your wreath with the scent of the season. Attach cinnamon sticks, cloves, or dried orange slices to give your wreath a delightful aroma. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.